The area. Sam.
Yeah, look at these ominous skies out at Edgewater tonight. There's some storms that have developed off of Lorain County, and you can see that very gray sky there in the distance. Not a lot of beachgoers on this August Friday, right, because of all these storms out there. You can see most of the activity is west of Cuyahoga County. In Cleveland, there's no heavy rain at this time, but we have this little boundary right along the lakeshore, and I'm concerned that may spark some showers. Looks like we're starting to see maybe a little development around Parma and Independence. Then out towards Lorain, heavy rain has developed off of another boundary. You can see that in the red there right along Route 2. And then the wider picture showing you our big Medina thunderstorm we were tracking. That's kind of fallen apart, but there's still some storms here in southeastern Portage County and then out to the west, Erie County, Huron County, Richland County. This is torrential rain, gusty winds, nothing severe, but definitely a big inconvenience on this Friday evening. We'll have to keep scattered storms in for at least the next few hours. Heavy rain and localized flooding will be my main concerns with these. The storms end by midnight, but some isolated showers and fog certainly possible overnight. In today's forecast, you can basically rinse it off and just repeat it for tomorrow. We're going to have more scattered storms out there, mainly before mid-afternoon. So at this time tomorrow, I don't expect any thunderstorms out there. Maybe like one or two, but tomorrow evening trending drier. Great news for SummerSlam, right? We'll walk you through Saturday hour by hour coming up in just a bit. Is our big weather story this evening, particularly across Erie County, portions of Richland, northeastern Huron, and then out over Lake Erie. We've got some thunderstorms here as well. In Cuyahoga County, most areas are pretty quiet, although it is so humid outside. It's like tropical feeling, right? And then we've got so many ominous clouds out there. Looks like it could rain at any second. Got a little lake breeze boundary there as well. And some rain around Parma and Independence. Most of this is light to moderate stuff, certainly nothing severe in Cuyahoga County right now. Out over the lake and down into Lorain County, a leftover outflow boundary from earlier thunderstorms has kind of sparked more storms here. Lorain and down to the south towards the Turnpike, then out over Lake Erie. Of course, we are tracking storms there. More storms into Portage County. Our Medina storm we dealt with during the 6 o'clock hour. That was a big, loud and heavy rain producing storm that has fallen apart. So good news there. But this stuff is not falling apart in south central Richland County and then up into Erie County. A lot of heavy rain here, hence that flood advisory for Huron County and for Erie County. We talked about that before the break. There are going to be some high water issues there. Minor flooding may occur around Sandusky and down to the south into Norwalk. So please use caution in the area. The sun's about to set right just before 9 o'clock, so then visibility will not be great. So if you encounter a road, you can't see the surface of it, turn around if you don't have to be out tonight. I think that's probably a good thing because it is so humid, and we are going to have continued scattered storms at least for the next few hours. Heavy rain and ponding, again, those are my main concerns in the short term. It's not going to rain all night. I think by midnight most of this scattered activity should be done, but I can't rule out some spotty showers overnight. And then waking up tomorrow, we're going to do it all over again. A lot of cloud cover, a lot of humidity, and a few showers and storms to start the day. This is brand new data, by the way, on Future View. Keep the rain gear close tomorrow because more storms are going to be out there through the morning into the afternoon. This is Future View at 2 o'clock. Some of these again may produce heavy rain and localized flooding. The storms will gradually end for everybody by late afternoon, early evening. Quick check of the next 10